This is a look at the all-new 2011 Honda Odyssey, brought to you by Dick Hanna Honda. The model you will be seeing today is an EXL with a rear entertainment system. Please remember that trim level dictates available features. Let's start with the outside, shall we? Although dimensions have barely changed, the new Honda Odyssey looks lower and wider than the previous model. Of particular interest are the flat sides and aggressive rear flanks. Minivans have never looked so good. Moving to the engine compartment, there is a new 3.5-liter V6 engine, good for 248 horsepower and 250 pounds-per-feet of torque. The engine features variable cylinder management, which means it alternates between operating on 3, 4, and 6 cylinders as conditions dictate for maximum fuel economy. This Odyssey is rated at 18 mile per gallon city, 27 mile per gallon highway, but touring models have a new 6-speed automatic transmission and are good for 19 mile per gallon city and 28 mile per gallon highway. Sitting in the driver's seat, there are plenty of great features. A heated 10-way power seat, 4-way for the passenger. The steering wheel has controls for Bluetooth hands-free link, the audio system, and cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power moonroof. Tri-zone climate control allows individualized temperature for the driver, passenger, and rear passengers. The stereo has XM radio, a 3.5mm audio plug-in, a USB audio interface, and 2 GB of music storage. Vehicles with the optional navigation system increase that number to 15 GB of storage. The 8-inch navigation display shows audio info, rear media sources, the rear view camera, and even custom wallpapers. In addition to over 7 million points of interest, the navigation system now incorporates FM traffic, showing and planning around traffic congestion as you drive. At the bottom of the center stack, you can find a new air conditioning refrigerated cool box that will keep your drinks chilled until you're ready for them. Moving into the cargo area, we find power sliding doors with conveniently placed controls, integrated sunshades for the second and third row windows, climate controls, the 9-inch rear entertainment system screen with wireless remote, and plenty of other great features. The second row middle seat is now more versatile than before. It is wide enough to accommodate a child's seat, can slide forward to within easy reach of the front area, and can fold down to become a food or beverage tray. The outboard second row seats slide apart for more space and have conveniently placed levers for easy access to the third row. In the way back, the third row Magic seat folds flat to maximize storage, and there are AV inputs and a 115-volt power outlet. The power-operated rear liftgate makes stowing groceries and gear easy when your hands are full. Safety is an important aspect of any Honda, and the Odyssey is chock full of it. Front seat active head restraints, tire pressure monitoring system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, vehicle stability assist, brake assist, electronic brake force distribution, front, side, and side curtain airbags, an occupant position detection system, and 5 spots in the vehicle that are compatible with the latch child seat safety device. Brand new to the Odyssey family this year is the top-of-the-line Touring Elite. In addition to the Touring standard equipment, it also adds a 650-watt stereo with 5.1 channel surround sound, high-intensity discharge headlights, blind spot information system, and a 16.2-inch ultra-wide screen for the rear entertainment system. Thanks for taking a look at the Odyssey with us. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a test drive, please let us know.